Hi folks, Joe Catalanotto here, owner of Generation Kia. And on behalf of our family, we'd like to thank all the healthcare workers on the front line battling this coronavirus. Your true dedication, commitment, and courage deserve our deepest gratitude. To show our appreciation, we'd like to help keep those on the front line safe from getting infected and spreading the virus by offering an interior deep cleaning and disinfectant treatment, all free of charge. We'll disinfect the vehicle's passenger cabins, air ventilator systems, and ductwork, killing any traces of the coronavirus. This is our gift to you, all the people on the front line of this terrible, terrible disease. If that's you, please contact us and schedule an appointment. If not, please share this video with your friends and family who are. Our service department is open Monday through Saturday, 7:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Call, text, chat, or connect with us on Facebook Messenger to schedule an appointment. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, we're all in this together.